Welcome to the Quiz Biz. Today we're going to test your video game knowledge. Can you guess these iconic games from just the sound? The rules are simple. I'm going to play a sound effect and you have 5 seconds to guess the game before the answer is revealed. Sound simple? Round 1. Did you guess correctly? It's Super Mario.
It's a Mario time!
Round 2. It's Minecraft. Round 3. Of course, it's Pac-Man. Round 4. Was this one a little tougher? It's Grand Theft Auto. Round 5. It's Fortnite. Round 6. You guessed it, it's The Legend of Zelda. Round 7. Gotta catch 'em all. It's Pokemon. Round 8. It's World of Warcraft. Round 9. One of the best sounds from the game. It's Assassin's Creed. Round 10. Feeling nostalgic? That's right, it's Sonic the Hedgehog. Round 11. Time to level up. It's Call of Duty. Final round. Even more nostalgia. The final game on this list is Final Fantasy. Did you guess them all correctly? Leave a comment below with your score and favorite game on this list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this.